Insomnia is an uncommonly common disorder in the modern world, caused primarily by an increase of Vata dosha in the mind or the nervous system. Insomnia is a cause or a complicating factor in many other problems. It may be related to constipation, it may be a result of stress or being overtired, or it may create fatigue and lead to greater stress. It may be a symptom of depression or it may intensify depression. So we have to deal with it effectively. It's definitely true that drinking a cup of warm milk before going to bed helps bring on a peaceful sleep. You can have it plain if you prefer, but the following suggestion will make it more delicious as well as more effective. Add a pinch up to 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add some crushed almonds, a pinch of nutmeg and a pinch of cardamom. Try garlic milk. Mix together 1 cup milk, 1/4 cup water and 1 clove of fresh chopped garlic. Boil gently until 1 cup of liquid remains. Cherries are good for mental fatigue and stress, both of which can contribute to insomnia. Eating 10 to 20 cherries daily may help relieve this condition and help you sleep. Drink 1 cup tomato juice with 2 teaspoon natural sugar and 2 pinch of nutmeg. Drink the juice between 4 and 5 in the afternoon. Have dinner between 6 and 7. That evening you should get a sound sleep. One of the simplest and most effective way to induce sleep is to rub some oil on the scalp and the sole of the feet before going to bed. Use sesame oil and massage gently for a few minutes. Slightly warming the oil before applying is helpful. Using this common spices can help induce sleep. A fine paste made of nutmeg powder mixed with equal amount of ghee can be applied around your eyes and on your forehead before bed to help you fall asleep. A hot bath or shower at bedtime helps to soothe Vata and promotes sound sleep. Sleep disturbances are often due to worries and anxieties that keep the mind agitated at night. To help resolve those anxieties, meditate for a while before going to sleep. Sit comfortably on your bed and put your attention on the third eye, the area on your forehead between your eyebrows. Follow your breath in and out or do the traditional So-Hum meditation. Inhale while thinking the syllable So and exhale with Hum. Then lie on your back. Watch your breath and continue the So-Hum meditation, focusing your mind gently on the third eye